Okay, we're going to see if we can iron out this trim. Just got a bit of material on the ironing board, damp handkerchief, and away we go. So we'll put that on there and just try and stretch it out a bit. Pull it out as we go along. I don't want to crease the material and then put a crease in the vinyl, but there we go. Yeah, it does get quite warm, but the crease is gone. It doesn't need much, but there you go. So we'll try the other end. That crease there. That mark on there is actually more steam than like heat. Still. Like that. Alright, there we go. Not brilliant, but it's a lot better than it was. I suppose if you laid it out in the sunshine on a warm day, it'd probably do the same thing. So don't give up on it if it's that creased. Well, you can still see a little bit of it, but maybe I'll try and do it some more. But alright, there you go. So just a bit like that. Keep it damp and that, and then it's you see the steam coming off that there. The other side's coming out all right.